Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you what are the best settings in Wuthering Waves to boost performance and fix the lag. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. First of all, you're going to go to your settings and then go to the graphic settings. From here you can see the graphic quality in the basic version, set it to medium or low. And then for the resolution part, set it to a lower native resolution such as 1200 by 1920. The lower the better, but make sure that it fits the screen properly. Once you do that, go to the frame rate, shadow quality, special effect quality, LOD bias, capsule AO, and volumetric fog, and set them just like I have on the screen. Making those low should improve it drastically. Once you do that, you're going to go to the super resolution and NVIDIA DLSS and the immersion blur and set the settings just like I have in front of you. And also for the sharpening, you can measure that. You can set it between 0 and 1. That would help. And then finally, for the VSync, try to turn that off unless you have experience in tearing on the screen. And the NVIDIA Reflex, keep that on to fix you with the resolution. And that's pretty much it. If you have any more problems, then make sure to close everything in the background. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.